printing a three-dimensional object. Awesome, right? Well, but what is 3D printing? To make things a little bit easier, you know that 2D inkjet printer that you use to print out your homework? Well, that works by applying little drops of ink onto a sheet of paper. A 3D printer isn't all that different. Instead of applying ink to a sheet of paper, it is applying drops of material onto other drops of material. And those layers build up to create your 3D object. Simple, right? There are many different types of 3D printers. Before you is a stereolithography apparatus, or SLA. It contains a building platform which is set on top of a vat of photosensitive resin. A code written in CAD language is used to control an infrared laser, which hangs over the plate in the vat. This laser cuts through the resin to hit the building platform, which is slowly lowered throughout the manufacturing process. The laser cuts away the negative space as dictated by the code. It will leave behind neatly formed 3D models of the CAD pattern. Selective laser sintering, or SLS. A laser is used to fuse powdered material in a process called sintering. The laser will follow the selective pattern as directed by CAD programming. One advantage to SLS printing is that most materials that can be powdered can be used to print this object. That means that a project can be printed in a huge variety of materials that are not available to other forms of 3D printing. In this video, Continuum, a fashion designing group, prints shoes. Imagine the possibilities. "3D printed shoes are pretty awesome, yeah. But what about limbs that you can use to walk on, grab things with? Working prosthetics. Yeah, those are being built too. They've been built for a number of years now using 3D printers. 3D printing allows for an amazing amount of customization for the printed object, and thus it makes the prosthetic fit better on the person wearing it. It's also a lot cheaper.
My name's Wes. I'm one of the Blue Men.
Oh my God!
It's really nice to meet you.
Really nice to meet you, buddy.
This is where our video operator sits down. I think if you twist it, there you go. Yeah.
This is pretty cool.
You want to go up on stage and have a look?
Oh my God! It's a Blue Man! Hello! Hello, you guys! What's up, bros? High five! Cool! Thank you, guys. My new robotic arm! Wow!
How do you like it?
It's pretty awesome.
Down? There you go. There you go. Oh, you got my finger. Release me. Oh, thank you.
Printing has given Wyatt a new arm. But 3D printing has done so much more than that. New technologies, new advancements, new inventions, they've all emerged from 3D printing. I want to share some of those with you too. The Cortex cast is one of many designs of a breathable, lightweight, non-plaster, waterproof cast that would be 3D printed. This cast will protect the bone as it grows and heals, and in general provide a support without all the annoyances of a traditional plaster cast. Now to talk to you a little bit about bone replacement and joint replacement. So 3D printing helps with that too. I'm about to show you a video that will explain a little bit about a knee replacement surgery involving 3D printing.
Basically, all knee replacements from, when it came about in the 60s and 70s to now have been compromises. We try to get the alignment just right. We try to get different sizes that match the patient as closely as possible.
Enter the truly custom knee. Manufacturer Conformis uses CT data from the patient to print a perfect replacement.
We now have printers that can create the exact shape, and then it can go to the mold manufacturers. It takes anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks.
An artificial knee is really a cap placed on the end of bones, which have been shaved to accommodate it. In order to fit properly, the custom knee comes with custom cutting guides to make a truly perfect match. Patients find it feels like their natural knee. The added precision means less bone loss too, which translates to a quicker recovery.
There's less bleeding, there's less surgical time. There's advantages that you see right off the bat.
This is no mere 3D printed ear. This 3D printed ear was printed with hearing aid technology incorporated with it. I'm about to show you a clip of how 3D printing is improving the lives of the blind.
Mamma mia. There was a table in the foreground. Yeah, this is it.
Memories for me as a blind person are almost like dreams. Is like a gust of wind. It's there and it's gone, but you can have it forever. If I could touch the picture, I could make the memory tangible again.
3D printing technology streamlines the manufacturing process. It cuts down on wasted materials, it cuts down on wasted time, both in creating the object and also in moving the object from one place to another. Shipping it from overseas, that's done. Because with a 3D printer, you're printing it very close to where you're going to need the final product. Or else, even in the same location as where you will need the final product. Not only will 3D printing revolutionize the manufacturing process, it is also changing the lives of people for the better. And I think that is why 3D printing is going to change the world. There's a new era coming, and 3D printing is at its core.